Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyya Guppta and I did natural skincare and hair care routine course with Sunmeet ma'am few months back, and the course has really helped me heal my skin, and not only my skin, it has really helped me open my eyes towards harmful and toxic chemicals that are present in the market, which no one is aware about. And that has really helped me now differentiate between which product to buy, which not to buy, and how to protect myself not only externally but internally through by avoiding harmful ingredients that are present in the products. And also, Sunmeet ma'am is really very energetic and positive person. She has not only helped me heal my skin, but she has also helped me emotionally and mentally by being so much positive, and her attitude is very positive and energetic, and the things that she puts up in the group every morning are so nice, and that really keeps us motivating towards natural living and healthy living. Thank you so much, Sunmeet ma'am, for your cooperation and your teachings.